So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to come on today and show you guys my grilling basket concepts. I have I guess about, let's see here, one, two, maybe four different basket concepts here on the table. They're pretty similar, but they kind of vary in size, as well as what they contain. So I'm going to show you kind of the different concepts that I have going on the table. I have a couple these here I'm still working on. I've already placed some of the stuff in the basket, but I've got to go back and purchase a couple more things to complete them. But I wanted to go ahead and show these to you so I can, once I get those items, they'll be complete. So my first concepts, I'm going to show you these. As you can see, I used some of the solar cups that you get from the Dollar Tree. That's what those are those solar cups that you get from the Dollar Tree. And I had mentioned to you guys that I had some of these bags that I was going to use and put on the front of my bucket to kind of give it a little festive look. Shout out to 615 Baskets. She came up with this idea last year. I loved it, and so I'm using it. I had two more of these bags left, so that's what I did. I cut them in half, and I put one half on the front of that, one half on the front of that one half on that one, and one half on that one. I wish I would have had some more, but because I didn't, I did use my Cricut machine, and I put those little the little graphics or whatever you want to call it on the front of those buckets. So the smaller buckets, I'll show you. I have two. There's 2 and 2. So this one right here, this blue one right here, and this red one, I'm sorry, this is a red cup. This one right here and that one right here are pretty much the same. But what I did do was, like, I made one of them a steak basket and one of them just a regular barbecue basket. So I'm going to pull these two to the front so I can kind of show you what I have going on in each one of these. Okay, so in these two right here, like I said, I used a red cup in this one, a blue in that one. On the back, I'll turn this around for you. I put the mitten on the back, and I did that on both of these. I put the grilling and chilling on that one, and I put the grill, eat, chill, repeat on the back of that one. And as you can see, I did put a little piece of what is that, foam board on the back to kind of hold it in place. And then I used the cutting board sets that we got from Family Dollar a while back. That's what's in the back of those. I only had 2 of them, so I had to do something different for the other ones. So in the back of this, as you can see, I have my lighter. I have these here. These came from Dollar General. I got those for a penny last year. I have my aluminum foil, my little condiment dispensers. I have some barbecue sauce that I got from Rose's. I have the towel that goes with the mitt. Here's some of the toothpicks that I got from Rose's, some seasoning, some of these clips. These clips came from Family Dollar. And then, you guys, I have a lot of the jams. These little jams I got from, ooh, y'all forget my nail, it's broken. I didn't even realize it. These jams came from Dollar General last year. No, Dollar Tree last year. They were 25 cents last year after Christmas. They had them this year, but I didn't see any more. And this one does not expire until, it says, it expires 7/5/2025. So I went ahead and used 2 of in each one of these so I could go ahead and get them gone, because I didn't want to take a chance of them, expiring. I ended up having to throw away a whole big case of mustard that had expired that I got last year that I wasn't able to use. And I didn't want that to happen to the jam. So I went ahead and just put that in there. I figured they can use it for something. So anyway, I put that in there. And that's the end of that little concept right there. So the same thing with this one. It has the aluminum foil and the lighter. These utensils that came from Dollar General. I put a steak knife set that came from Family Dollar. I think I paid like $1 for those, or 50 cents or something. This right here came from Dollar Tree. Then I put the condiment dispensers. I put some steak seasoning. I put one of these napkins. These napkins came from, and I have napkins in there as well. I forgot to mention those. They came from Family Dollar. They had cleared a lot of their napkins, plates, and forks and spoons and stuff out last year. So I got a lot of those for like 25 cents. So I decided to put some of those in there. Here's some more of the peach jam. I put the towel and the toothpicks, and that completed that concept. And that's what those two concepts there look like. I think they turned out very nice. The basket is really nice and full. Okay, so that's the end of those two. I'm gonna push those to the side. So like I said, so I only had 2 of the cutting boards. So I had to do these kind of different because I did not have a cutting board. So I draped the towel in the back of these as the foundation of the back of those. I put the grilling and chilling on the back of that one and that one. And then I put the summertime cocktail backyard barbecue in the back of that one. And I haven't taped this one in place. I just kind of laid the stuff in there. But anyway, like I said, I put these little graphics on the front of these buckets, and those came from my Cricut, just to kind of give it a, so the front of the bucket wouldn't be so plain. And so in the buckets, like I said, I put the towel, the mittens, then I put the foil sheets. I put that in each one of them. I have the barbecue sauce, the condiment dispensers, seasoning. I have some of these cups, if you can see these beer cups, or I don't know what you want to call them, glasses. These came from, I can't even remember. Yeah, I've had these glasses for probably 3 or 4 years, and they were on my shelf, and I realized I had them, and I was like, let me pull these out. They came in a set of 2, so I ended up just breaking them up and putting them in these in this concept to kind of give it a complete it. But like I said, as you can see, I haven't taped anything down, and then they'll get some of the jam. Same thing with this one, except this one has the steak sauce in it. I put a chef knife in each one of these. These also came from Family Dollar, with the A1 steak sauce, the steak seasoning, and the peach jam. Okay. And of course, like I said, the napkins, you see the napkins that came from Family Dollar. Same thing with this concept. It has the barbecue sauce with the, I put the Cajun seasoning in there instead of the steak seasoning. And that completed that concept. So all 3 of those, like I said, are the same because they did not have a cutting board. So like I said, I have 3 different sizes. These, I have 4 that's in this size right here. This, all 4 of these, well, actually 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are my smaller ones. These, I have 2. That's going to be my medium size one. It's going to be this one right here in the buckets like this, and then this one right here. So I have a red one and a blue one. That's a medium size. And the reason why I ended up doing a medium size one is because, you guys, I found these in my stockpile. I forgot I had them. They came from Hobby Lobby. And I realized that I had these in my stockpile, and I thought, I think I want to use these. But they were too big to go in the smaller solar cups. So I decided to go ahead and put them in a bigger concept And so, like I said, this is going to be like my medium size concept. So this one right here has that cutting board on the back. I found some of these cookbooks. I have 2 of those. I had found 2 of those I had got from the Dollar Tree last year. They were in my stockpile. I have the Grill, Eat, Chill, Repeat mitten and towel set. Then I have the utensils that I got for a penny from Dollar General. Some of the foil. I went ahead and pulled a game out of the ones I showed you that I had got last year for a penny. And then I also pulled the meat claws that I had left that I had from last year that I got for a penny. Here's my condiment dispensers, some napkins. Here's some of the stuff I got, the seasoning and the barbecue sauce and all of that with the toothpicks and all that. I put the glass in there and I put the lighter in the glass to complete that concept. And that's what that looks like. For the medium-sized concepts, I decided to put both the steak sauce and the barbecue sauce in those, just to kind of give it a little added something different that the smaller ones didn't have. So I'm adding both of the sauces in the medium and the large concepts. So like I said, this one right here, I thought I had everything to go in it, but I've got to go back and get a couple things to finish this one off. So once I get those things, I'll finish this concept, and it'll look similar to this one. It may be a little different because I am going to use probably this ice mold in the chicken game because I don't have another one of the meat claws. And so I'm going to use that in there. And then I'll be done with this concept. I didn't put the graphic on the front of that, but I am going to put another graphic on the front of that. And then that one will be complete. This is the one that I pulled out of my storage that I had from last year. I did take the seasoning out. It had expired. So I do got to go back and go get some more seasoning. I didn't realize that seasoning had expired. But it has a mini grill in it. It has the speakers, the matches, the utensils, one of the condiment bottles, the meat, and the beer mug. But I'm going to take this out. So this is coming out. And I've already went and got some charcoal. So I'm going to replace that with charcoal. And that'll be a completed concept on that one. And that one's going to be my large one. So like I said, I have 5 of my small, 2 of the medium ones, which will be these. And this one will be my largest one of the barbecue concepts. And then I'll be complete. And I am going to put a graphic on the front of that. Either King of the Grill, Grill Master, something like that. But I think I'm going to leave it in this container. I'm not going to take it out. Initially, I was going to change it and put it in one of these buckets. But I like it in here. I'm good with that. But like I said, I am going to put a graphic on the front. And I'm going to change the blanket out for some charcoal. And so that one will be complete. And then I'll do a short, you guys, later on and show you kind of the completed concepts with bows and everything. But I did want to come on and show you guys just kind of my different barbecue concepts so you guys could see kind of what I'm doing for these. I went ahead and did these because I have, as you can see, I have several of these. I'm going to go ahead and get these done. And then I think I'm going to do my, I think I'm going to do the car wash baskets next and kind of try to get some of those knocked out and then come back and do some of the other ones. So these are going to be like the basically my new ones that I'm doing, which will be the barbecue and the car wash. I do have a couple more, like the Saints, and that'll be new. But for the most part, my stuff will be stuff that I revamp. I am going to do another video to kind of discuss with you guys the ones that I'm working on that I revamp. But anyway, I'll show you guys that in another video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.